For the following
Oh, a
counties,
high wind
Maryland,
warning.
Maryland. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of western Maryland, central, northwest and western Virginia and eastern West Virginia. When? From 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down numerous trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. For the following...
Interesting.